All right. Good day, everyone, and I would like to welcome you to my channel where I talk about IT related stuffs. My name is Olusegun Akinwumi, and I work for the registry for .ng as a web administrator. Today, I want to talk about the overview of this course, Google IT Support Professional Certificate. 2 days ago, I got notified by Google that my final certificate has arrived and I can share it on my social media handles. So this course for me, it's way back long time ago that I've been wanted to attend this course. That was 2017, and I was supposed to be paying $50 monthly now for me to be able to access all the course materials. And at that point, I don't have enough fund to fund this course, so I couldn't. But then I thought of an idea to sort for help in order for me to be able to do it, because there was good fund account that I opened and I put this code out there in order for me if I can get support. But then none of my friends turn up for me, even though I have friends that could help. But then that is life. None of them turn up for me, and even in general public. But then the rest is the story. Today I've been able to attend the course. What happened is that I have a colleague that is conversant with Coursera, and he just told me that there are some of the courses that I can get free fund for. I can apply for free fund. I really want to thank Google. I appreciate Google for the opportunity for them to have put this course out there, and for the opportunity to attend freely, because this course has really helped in terms of knowledge acquired while I was taking this course. That's why I want to share my experience, take us the overview of the whole course, so that we can also have an idea of, if you have interest in attending this course, you can have an idea of what you're going to come about, what you're going to see, and some of the challenges and some of the successes that you're going to record by the time you are taking this course. So this course, as you can see on my screen, talk about Google IT Support Professional. You can take it on Coursera. Coursera is an e-learning platform which is open to all, and as much as you are above 18 years old. So this course contains 5 courses to acquire the final certificate. That is this certificate that I got from Google 2 days ago. This course. I got notified that this course is available 2 days ago, but on my account is showing July 12, 2023. But that's not what we are here to discuss. So we are going to be looking at the 5 courses that you are supposed to cover in order for you to acquire that certificate. But at the same time, each time you complete each of the courses, you are also going to be issued certificate along the line as you move ahead with the course. The first part of the professional certificate is talking about technical support fundamental. Very interesting topics, I can assure you, if you are interested in IT. But the thing I want to say about this course is that you don't even need to have much background knowledge of IT before you can take this course, because some of the things that are discussed there is just like foundational knowledge. They're going to give you foundational knowledge. Having said that, doesn't mean that if you come across it, it will be that easy for you to grab most of the things that is being said. The only thing I will advise is that if you are dedicated and you are interested in it, it's not really something that is difficult. You can come from any field and get a certificate. So I'm going to be showing us the overview of what it is. So after technical support fundamental, you're going to be taking the bit and byte of computer networking. Like I said, foundational knowledge, everything that you need to know when it comes to computer networking, operating system, and you becoming a power user. And the most interesting part of this course for me is the sysadmin and IT infrastructure. Why? Because I work as a web admin, and some of the things that is being discussed here are some of the things that I'm a kind of conversant with, I'm used to. But then I learned on the job. I never had much of the formal training like Google has given to me today. And lastly, you're going to be looking at IT security, defense against digital dark arts. That one is talking about cyber security, and everything is almost like foundation. Honestly, trust me, you're going to enjoy this course. So these are the 5 courses that you are supposed to cover in order for you to get this certificate. Like I said, Google IT support certificate. So this is the course. Like I mentioned, you can mention earlier, you can apply for free fund if you don't have the fund, but you need to you need to confuse them. There are some things, there are some requirements that you need to complete, like telling them why you need this course. As you go along, you understand some of the things that you are supposed to do, but then in their own judgment, they can approve it for you. Then I never denied of this opportunity by Google, so I just completed the course. So the first course talking about Google, the first course I talk about technical fundamentals is one of the technical support fundamental, is one of the courses that I really enjoy. Even though some of the things that was discussed in this course is not that strange, but then I appreciate the fact that I have been able to acquire formal knowledge, formal training when it comes to IT support. Most of the things that I know in IT support, most of them, like I say, 70% of them are something I learned on the job. So in this course, there's you are expected to cover this course in 6 weeks. But then if you are dedicated to it, in less than a month, you can complete it. I was able to complete some of them within a month, and the rest is story today. Like I said, they are very interesting topics, talking about, you'll be interested in what is IT and the rest of it. This is the first one that you're going to touch, and the second one of the course, the 5 of them is listed. A bit and byte of computer networking is going to talk about what computer networking is all about, what you need to know when it comes to computer networking, what are the things that the things that happen in the computer, in that field of computer networking. So those are the things that you are going to be learning in this course, which are very interesting, very interesting, which I will always advise everyone to take the course. If you are interested in taking the course, honestly, you will never regret taking this course, because you are going to learn. And the other one, talking about another one that we're going to look at, is operating system and you becoming a power user. This aspect is very interesting for me while I was taking this course. But there are also aspects of it that was a bit difficult when I was learning it. I got tired at some point when I was taking this particular one, because it's going to talk about, if you look at the outcome, let's look at the modules that is covered in this course. It's talking about navigating the system, user permission, package and software management, file system, process manager, operating system in practice. So what I want to say is that you are going to learn how to use PowerShell. PowerShell is a command prompt, a new command prompt from a window that you get on Windows. Apart from the old command prompt, this one is more advanced. And I work with servers in my office. We use Linux operating system on all our servers, so I'm a kind of used to Linux, but for PowerShell I'm not that conversant. But then at the point of going through this course, I was able to learn other things about how to use PowerShell to control Windows servers. So this part is a bit difficult, but then I was able to skate through. Let me not bore you with too much story about this course. As you can see, there are 5 courses. I'm going to be taking us through the overview of what are the things that you are supposed to learn, what are the experience for me while I was learning this course, what I enjoy. Like I just talked about operating system, and now I had issue in the aspect of Windows. But this particular one, bit and byte of computer networking, is very interesting, and I enjoyed it. Another aspect of this course, that I enjoy is IT security defense. This one is talking about cyber security, so to say. So you can see cyber security, wireless security, cryptography, network security. These are very, very interesting aspects of IT that everyone in the IT field is supposed to, have at the tip of their hand. Even if you don't know, even if you are not a professional in this area, but then you need to have background knowledge of how this field is being run, what is happening in this field. So as we move along, I don't want to bore us too much with my introduction video. I'll be taking each of the courses one by one, and I give us a kind of general overview of my experience and what you are going to go through. At the end of each of the courses, you are going to be getting certificate as well, and you are supposed to take some tests, quiz, so to say, as you are getting to finish some of the courses. So you're welcome once again. Join me as we move on ahead with this course, in order for you to if you want to begin your journey in IT support. Thank you very much, everyone, for your time.